latest Thai cooking journey. Grandma's home cooking school.
So lucky to have such a sunny day during the rainy season in Chiang Mai to cook some Thai dishes. We started by touring the countryside and learning about the ingredients. I absolutely love our instructor Garnet. She kinda reminds me of Nano from Girl From Nowhere. Do you see the resemblance?
One, are you ready? A two, a three.
Whoa! She introduced ingredients in the most fun way, like using a lemon to show how colorful and vibrant Thai cuisine could be. After the tour, we headed to a super cute Thai garden-style kitchen for our cooking class. We got to pick our own menu, 4 dishes and a drink. The Thai milk tea here is so good.
Look somewhere else. Smiling.
The first dish was coconut soup. I went with shrimp coconut soup, Garnet demoed it first, and then it was our turn. I had so much fun using the pesto. Feel like I was in a cooking show. Mixing in the coconut milk, ingredients, and shrimp, a bowl of delicious shrimp coconut soup was ready. Honestly, it tastes better than the ones I usually buy because I could adjust the seasoning. Next up was shrimp pad thai. I love this dish because it is so fragrant when you stir fry it. And the sweet and savory flavors are just amazing.
All the remaining coconut milk in the pot. Okay. All the coconut milk in the pot. All of it. Yeah. Give it a stir. Give it a stir. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Listen to my voice. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce.
The third dish was chicken curry, and here's a glimpse of the chaos behind the scene. Sweat and buckets, but totally worth it for the delicious curry. Finally, the dish I was most excited for, mango sticky rice.
And then mix. At first, it will be a little runny. Don't worry.
The blue color is stunning, and it is naturally extracted from plants, not food coloring.
You can get the topping of the crispy mung beans and some sesame seed, right? And then pull it up, and then put some flour on, and then we're just gonna have the flowers and the leaf. Find the leaf, and that's you got your soup, and that's your mango sticky rice.
Every bite of the sticky rice was so delicate and comforting, and I added some pretty blue and sugar to make it even more delicious.
And there.
Of course, I had to snap a few pieces of my masterpiece. Today, I'm officially a Thai chef. To top it all off, Garnet even wrote a little note for me in Thai at the back of the menu. She said it spells Katie in Thai. What a perfect day! I will definitely be back for more.